Prune Juice Company get all the way across the country from Yuba City, California to Berks County, Pennsylvania? Well, it took hard work, determination, perseverance, and amazing employees who love their jobs. That all combines to continue the Sunsweet tradition of over 100 years of great products.
This is Sunsweet's Fleetwood branch, and they make wonderful juices here, like the popular Smart Plum juice. It all started in 1917 when a group of farmers founded the California Prune and Apricot Growers Association, and they named their brand of prunes Sunsweet. But what makes Sunsweet in Fleetwood a great place to work? Well, as plant manager Juan Ramos describes it, it's simple. Sunsweet is a company of hardworking people who want to do what is right.
As Adam Miller, Juice Prep Operations Supervisor, says, his favorite part of his job is getting to take raw ingredients and turning them into good, delicious products. Inside the Sunsweet facility, Chris Lentz, as the production supervisor, acts as the customer to Mr. Miller's prep operations. When his group is having good days, he says those are the most fun because they are producing records for how much they can make. Jeff Brunner, as maintenance engineering manager, keeps the whole facility running smoothly. As he says, it's his job to keep the machines going and bring new automated projects online.